Nobody can keep friends.
I guess being friends for what, girl?
No, I think we've been through like every anything that could make us not be friends. Like, bitch, we're still thick as thieves, bitch.
Girl.
No, real friends go through shit.
Who was that in the car with you yesterday?
I high key want lip injections. Yeah, my friend's gonna get them next, y'all.
Boom.
She's gonna go drop a couple stacks of real money. Oh my god, you guys, please stop talking about money and my kids. Okay, I just told you guys I spent $1,000 on my kids the other day on shoes. Okay, my kids are always first. Okay, now can we talk about something else? Damn, y'all just want to talk about money and kids and shit. That's why it's like I don't even want to be coming live no more. Shit. For real. She sounds ghetto like you. No, my friend is bougie as hell.
She sounds ghetto like, aw.
You don't even sound...
Oink, oink. We always hear that we sound like white girls. I don't fucking understand.
Girl, we don't sound ghetto. She sounds ghetto like you. And if we do...
We need a whole diss track on that. Oink,
oink. Oink, oink.
Oh, turn my phone down.
The vibes. Okay, I'm gonna block you because you hella annoying. She's like, you and your lip injections, get off of live. Bitch, I came live because I wanted to come live. Get off of my live, bro. Why are you here? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fucking put my hair up. Oh shit, this thing keeps...
Oh, Lily Doll said, where is she getting her lip injections at?
No.
Going to Vegas.
Yeah, we're going to Vegas. Bitch, we really do need to go to Vegas. Vegas is the next spot. Oh, okay, we're friend's face. Now you can turn it up, girl. It's alright. Oh, I want to hear some music. How do I turn this light on? Oh. Put all your shit in the elevator. I like... Honestly, I like the square look, but I'm really feeling the stiletto. I just need to get them longer next time. The girl did them way too short. It's going down like a denominator. God, now I got that song stuck in my head. Oh, that's my hair. This looks hideous. Whatever. Does this work? Oh, it does work. Can I just open it? Oh, he has a thing on it. Here we go with the what?
The hair again. I gave you fuck hair.
Oh my god. Oh well.
So funny.
Do you guys like them though? I'm really feeling them, but they fucking hurt like a bitch. Here, I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna put you guys on the vlog. Look, y'all. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. You're gonna be featured on this vlog. Say hello. Your friend sounds so gay. What the hell? Oh my god, y'all crazy. Ooh. Now I got that song stuck in my head, girl. Oh, God. Anyway. Did you guys have a good Saturday, though? Hopefully you did. It's sunny as hell. Girl, I didn't even tell you. I'm obsessed now, and now it's like I have to go back every 3 months.
Bitch, we ain't gotta go back every 3 fucking months.
Well, she said every 6 months, but we're gonna see.
Simple and down to earth.
Damn it. Do you know his password on his little iPhone thing over here? Where he plays his music? You guys... No, you see me calling and calling. Anyway, so you guys had a good Saturday or what? Do you have to keep going back to keep them full? Girl, I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out together. I don't know. Why not just smoke weed? Because I don't like the way I feel when I smoke weed. But this looks really funny. This isn't my house. I'm not at home.
Build a lip injection. Is that what they call it?
What? Build a lip injection.
Lip injection. You call me just build a body. Oh, now you're building a lip injection.
Oh, that's funny. Somebody said they just ordered wings. She said she's stuffed and she's sleepy. Destiny.
Girl, wait for
Is this wax on my face? Oh no, that's on my phone, right? What the hell is that? I don't know. The babies are doing good, guys. I can't smoke weed. I just do edibles. Well, that's what's up. Whatever you do, you know. Your lips look great. Thank you, babe. Can I see your shirt? Just a tee. I love Pulp Fiction. Happy birthday to my daughter, Carly. Hi, Carly. Happy birthday, babe. Watching from the UK. Hey, mate. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm so stupid. What's that?
Say you ain't gotta say too much about looking your eyes like a
That will be you later. Okay. I'll make sure I'm not in the living room.
On the bus now. On the bus now.
Did it hurt? Yes, it fucking hurt. Hell yeah, it hurt. It hurt. I will have, look at, I vlogged the whole day today, you guys, so I'm gonna have like everything in the vlog, okay? It's going down like a denominator. Now I got that song stuck in my head.
Where the girls are from Cali, West Side, bitch.
West Side. Damn, nobody ever admits it hurts. Yes, it hurts like a bitch. It does hurt. It's a very uncomfortable feeling. But it seems like a feeling that you could get used to. It's like tattoos. Like, what's like a tattoo? Like, you can get used to it. It hurts and it's uncomfortable, but you could get through it. You know, we all have babies around here, so shit, it ain't nothing to us.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
I think they're cute. They're really cute. They need to be big. Everything else on me is big. Shit.
I can't believe they bruised in that one spot though.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess better one spot than everything.
It kind of bruised on her too.
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
But it will be gone. She said by tomorrow. We'll see. And then I got my mustache waxed. She told me not to do that, but I did it anyway. She's like, no, just wait 24 hours. I did not wait.
Did it after.
I did. And then when he pulled the hair off, I swear it was the guy who waxed me. He was like, look, there was so much hair on that motherfucker. I was like, damn, you ain't got to show me all that, nigga. I know. I already knew I had a mustache. He's like, it's okay. No, it's okay. Okay. Shit.
Girl, you know some niggas like that.
Some dudes do like it. I know. Shit. I want to get some Botox, though.
Ooh.
Just right here. The lady was telling me all about the shit. She was telling me everything. I was asking her. I even asked her about my dark circles. And she was like, no, because it's not that sunken in, it's pigmentation. So she was like suggesting some creams and shit. But I was like, no, bitch, inject me. Inject me. Inject me. Thank you guys. Baby, baby, baby. No, because sometimes when I go like this, my face will stay like that. Like these lines stay like that, right there. What you gonna say tonight? Somebody called me a build-a-face. Ooh, that's funny. Cucumbers. Oh!